Welcome to this Common App Essay Masterclass. Today, we're diving into one of the most important parts of your college application, the essays. This masterclass is designed to help you understand exactly what admissions officers want to learn about you and how to express your story with clarity, confidence, and authenticity. Our goal is to give both parents and students a clear, strategic roadmap. You'll learn what matters most, what doesn't matter at all, and how to present your experiences in a way that aligns with how college admission officers are trained to evaluate applications. By the end of this session, you'll feel confident, prepared, and equipped with a strategy that works. As explained, the purpose of this class is to help you learn how to brainstorm effectively, overcome mental blocks, and choose a topic that feels meaningful and true to who you are. We'll walk through all 7 Common App prompts, explore examples, and break down strategies that help your writing stand out. Think of this as your roadmap. By the end, you'll know how to craft an essay that sounds like you, reflects your growth, and leaves a memorable impression. You don't need to be a perfect writer. You just need to be willing to reflect, revise, and be honest. Let's begin.